Hello, good morning. We are once again welcome to our video class regarding research methodology. Today we are going to have a chapter called case study. The very name itself we can understand what is it. Case study. So you may see what is case study. What is it? A case study is an important study about a particular subject. So we are talking about what? We are talking about research. So we are making a research about a particular subject. Sometimes it may be regarding a person, or sometimes it may be regarding a group, place, event, company, organization, or about a particular phenomenon. For example, now we may have a phenomenon called coronavirus or COVID-19. It's a phenomenon. You are going to make a study or research about this, and you are taking separate cases. For example, a coronavirus in Malappuram district, or in a particular village, or in a particular place. That is a case, a separate case. See, is coronavirus throughout the world, and we are not taking the all world together for this purpose. We are taking only a particular small place, a case study we are taking. That case studies are used in almost all subjects, not only in social sciences, but also educational science, hospital, business, research, and almost all fields. Then types and form of case studies. There are three types. What are they? One, key cases. Second, outlier cases. And the third one, local knowledge cases. So there are three types. One, key case. We may we may explain in due course what is key case. Then the next one, outlier case, and local cases. Then what is key case? Key cases are those which are chosen because the researcher has a particular interest in it, or the circumstances surrounding him compel him to take it is a special case. So case is a special case. It is being conducted or going to conduct. Why? Because of the fact that the researcher or the investigator is very interested in taking that a case. There may be some importance. That is called a key case. Then next type, outlier case. What is it? These are those that are chosen because the case stand out from other events, organizations, or situations for some reason, and social scientists recognize that we can learn a lot of on those things that differ from the norm. So this is because the researcher may take this as a case study because the case stands out, very important, from other events. That is why outlier cases. Then local knowledge. A researcher may decide to conduct a local knowledge case when they already have assumed there is some uh, you know spelling mistake here, assumed as a usable amount of information on a given topic, a person, organization, or event, and so is well posed to conduct the study. Local cases, local knowledge. This may know it. He wants to conduct a local knowledge case study because it is already we have some information about it, and we want to assess the information. I mean, this is regarding to local case. The next one, within the types, we have seen three types, and within the types, a case study may be taken for different forms. First type, and within the type, there are four different forms. First is illustrative. Second one is exploratory. You might have remembered this word exploratory research before. Then cumulative, then critical. Then what is illustrative? The first one. These are also called descriptive study. You might have sometimes remember the word descriptive research in the last chapter. Give one or two examples to illustrate the present case study system. See, illustrative. That means some examples are given, one or two examples to illustrate, to explain. So yes, research is conducted and some examples are also given. A case study is conducted, and for the purpose of conducting the case study, we can expose or show some illustrations or examples in the present case study problem. So the problem that we are going to study is maybe a local or maybe any other thing, and it may have some importance so that we can expose, show the public or the persons or groups concerned some illustration examples. And so giving some examples about the research we are making, this is called illustrative. Then what is exploratory? It's also called pilot case study. You might have heard about pilot study. That is mean in case pilot vehicles for our prime minister, for our ministers, or of important personnels. There is a pilot vehicle, especially police pilot. That means making some research beforehand. That means when we are going in deep to the subject of research, we are making some pilot studies. We are coming to especially what is pilot in the due course. It also called a pilot case study. This is a study made before a large and intensive study is made of the problem. Very simple. Before we are making or conducting an elaborate or a large study about a problem, we are making a simple or pilot make before that. This help to find out questions beforehand. So before we are going into in deep research, if we make a pilot study, small pilot study, this help to find out questions beforehand of a large investigation. Then within the type, a case study may take four different forms. Cumulative. This is the third one. All investigation results are collected and generalized it with the present study. That's a cumulative. That means adding one by one. The meaning is of cumulative. It cumulates. That means we are rubbing the dust പൊടി തട്ടിയെടുക്കുക മലയാളത്തിൽ of the old investigations about the same problem that we are going to study. There may be a number of investigations that might have done before and collect all the investigation regarding the present study and generalize the present study, generalize. So there may have